Under the concept of environment, we can understand simple ditch banks, rows of trees, or the narrower surroundings of agricultural sites. But I want to give greater importance to the environment because in various diversification programs, such as AKG or AEH, non-productive areas also feature in extremely high proportions. We are standing on such an area, and these need to be maintained as well. My colleague Bálint Nagy will share this information with us.
We are in an agricultural area where maintaining the environment is just as important as production. I would like to introduce you to a machine for this purpose, the John Deere 1580 front mower and the PERUZZO TEG SPECIAL 1600 HD flail mower. The John Deere 1580 is a 37.5 horsepower professional lawn mower, the most powerful in its category, although it is also available in a 24 horsepower version. Thanks to the all-wheel drive, rear-wheel steering, hydrostatic transmission, and good maneuverability, this machine can be used effectively on rougher terrains, narrower paths, and even slopes. The ergonomically placed color-coded controls, the comfortable air-sprung driver's seat, the tiltable steering column, and the working speed of up to 8 km per hour all allow for comfortable, all-day work. Thanks to its front mower design, the operator has a good view of the work area, enabling safer and more precise operation. The weights placed on the back of the machine are to balance and stabilize it, as they eliminate the nose heaviness caused by the mower. The PERUZZO TEG SPECIAL 1600 HD flail mower mounted on the machine is designed for large areas and high durability. The 160 centimeter wide mower efficiently handles tall grass, weedy areas, and even woody vegetation with a diameter of up to 3 centimeters. It is available in Y-blade and hammer blade versions. The latter is suitable for shredding woody vegetation. A PERUZZO specialty is the extra high speed of the rotary blades, which finely chop the clippings and return them to the soil, resulting in a nice and even surface and also helping to replenish nutrients to the soil. This mower is extremely suitable for maintaining agricultural roads or access roads, as it aids transportation and the movement of larger machinery. Additionally, it is important to highlight that it is suitable for controlling allergens, allergenic plants, or weeds such as orphan sprouts or ragweed, which not only contributes to environmental protection, but also helps avoid fines. If you are looking for a purpose machine that is reliable and durable in the long term, I recommend the John Deere 1580 front mower. With the PERUZZO TEG SPECIAL 1600 HD flail mower, this machine combination can properly maintain both agricultural areas and access roads.
Thank you very much, Bálint, for presenting the machine, and thank you all for your attention throughout the day. Today we explored alternative plant cultures, ventured into the air, and even went underground, albeit figuratively. Tomorrow, we will put on precision goggles and examine individual technological elements through them, and we aim to provide you with information. Thank you very much.